Welcome back to Paul's Home Garage. It's Saturday, April 8th. What you see up on my lift is my 2007 Chevy 2500 Duramax diesel. It's pretty badly rusted out. The box is rusted. I put some temporary patch on above the wheel wells just to get by, but it's rusted quite a bit underneath the frame. And take a look up in here. You can see it's kind of bad, very bad here. So I have a new box, so I'm going to try and see if I can put a 2020 box, 8-foot box on my 2007. We'll see how that works out. Plan on taking the box off and stripping, actually taking the box off and then taking the cab off and sending the frame to a media blaster to have the frame media blasted and probably epoxy coated the frame. And then after that, I'll put the new box on and try to put the cab back on. So you can see under here, I did spray wool wax probably 2 years ago. So where it was painted and wasn't badly rusted, it looks like it's kind of holding on, except where you can see the rust and seams and stuff. And I did the frame and it looked all right. So I bet you if I put it on way after it was already rusted. So I think it would have stayed on. Just the rust is what's flaking off. And so I'm going to try to get it all cleaned up. So this will be my next installment and video series. So stay tuned, and it's going to be a big project. So I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.